Hi everyone, this is Lena, Sales Manager at RUiXU Battery. We provide energy storage batteries, inverters, and accessories for both residential and small commercial use. We have a local warehouse in California, and our products carry all the key UL certifications for safety and performance. Today, I'm excited to share some big news. Sunhub is now an authorized distributor of RUiXU. With this partnership, installers can enjoy a direct supply chain, linear products, and full warranty backing when purchasing through Sunhub. We are bringing our reliable and efficient energy storage batteries and inverters to the platform. And right now, we also have exclusive pricing available on Sunhub, so don't miss out. Check out our live inventory on Sunhub today.